NASA, you might have heard that there was an impact probability an asteroid was going to hit Earth. It was very risky. There was a poly market all about it. But good news, the impact probability of asteroid 2024 year 4 has dropped to 0.004%. It's expected to safely pass Earth in 2032. Let's go. Thank you to humanity, undefeated. And we have a post from Sula here. Fell for it again award. Would you look at the time? Nothing ever happens.
So anyways, my I don't have the tinfoil hat here, unfortunately, but my conspiracy theory, which I said last week, was that NASA really didn't want to get DOGed. And so as all the pressure, they felt like the spotlight was going to shift to them. They go,
there's an asteroid.
The asteroid's 1%
more important than ever.
The next day. And they were basically raising it like a point every couple of days to just make us all afraid. It's like, well, we better keep them funded because, we don't want to, we want to keep track of those
It's a fun conspiracy. I wonder if it worked. Maybe they got the email. What are you working on? And they said, we're working on saving humanity, guys. And Elon was like, keep up the good work. Doge was like, we're not cutting a dime. I don't know. I mean, the NASA budget isn't that big. It seems reasonable and it's fun. They produce inspiring stuff for all sorts of Americans all over the world. It's fantastic.